Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best magic eraser is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can have in your home, capable of tackling stubborn marks and grime on a variety of surfaces with just water. This unassuming block of melamine foam works through a micro-scrubbing action, lifting away scuffs, crayon marks, soap scum, and even permanent marker without the need for harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing, making it a go-to solution for quick cleanups and deep cleaning tasks alike. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Introducing the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Its powerful oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second, tackling grime and restoring surfaces with ease. Save time and energy with this tool. It scrubs up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing, reducing strain and giving you back your day. Its robust water-resistant design makes it reliable for any cleaning situation, indoors or out. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and even outdoor projects. This essential home cleaning tool is perfect for tight spaces like faucets, tile, and grout. It also works wonders on kitchen appliances and surfaces. Take the clean outdoors. Tackle patio furniture, car parts, and even your golf clubs. It's also great for keeping your shoes looking like new. Rubbermaid is committed to quality. You can trust this dependable product to simplify your everyday cleaning tasks. What we like? If you're tired of manual scrubbing and want to save time and energy, this is the tool for you. Its powerful oscillating head tackles grime quickly, and its water-resistant design makes it perfect for any cleaning situation, from kitchen sinks to outdoor grills. What people say. Works great on scuff marks and crayon marks. These sponges are very effective at cleaning tough stains. They are easy to use and leave surfaces looking like new. Number 4. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Original Cleaning Pads. Experience a superior clean with these powerful cleaning pads. They are 3x stronger than leading all-purpose bleach sprays for a noticeable difference. Tackle dirt and grime all around your home with this versatile cleaner. It works wonders on surfaces, walls, bathtubs, and even oven doors. Achieve a powerful clean using just water. You won't need any additional cleaning agents to get the job done effectively. Discover different forms designed for specific cleaning challenges. From ultra-thick to extra durable, there's an option for every task. Say goodbye to a cabinet full of specialized cleaners. These pads simplify your routine by handling multiple cleaning needs with ease. What we like? For a superior clean that simplifies your routine, consider this option. It's 3x stronger than leading sprays and works with just water, making it ideal for tackling dirt all around your house, from bathroom surfaces to scuff marks on walls. What people say. These sponges are surprisingly effective at removing tough stains and scuff marks from various surfaces. The magic eraser works wonders on crayon marks, soap scum, and even permanent marker. They are easy to use, just wet the sponge and gently rub the affected area. Number 3. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Extra Durable. Introducing the Extra Durable Magic Eraser. It's 5 times stronger and requires 80% less scrubbing than leading all-purpose bleach sprays. Get a powerful clean with less effort. This versatile cleaner works on a variety of surfaces. Use it to tackle marks on walls, bathtubs, oven doors, light switches, and much more. Experience a powerful clean using just water. It's a convenient and effective solution for your toughest messes. Discover the full range of magic erasers. We offer ultra-thick, ultra-foamy, ultra-bath, and original forms to meet all your cleaning needs. Make your home sparkle with Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It's the all-purpose cleaning solution you've been looking for. What we like? If you're looking for a powerful yet efficient cleaning solution, this extra durable scrubber is a great choice. It's 5 times stronger and requires 80% less scrubbing, making it perfect for tough jobs on walls, bathtubs, and oven doors. What people say. The sponges are effective at removing tough stains and scuffs from various surfaces. They work well on crayon marks, soap scum, and even permanent marker. The sponges are easy to use, just wet them and gently rub the surface. Number 2. Magic Sponges Cleaning Eraser 50-Pack. Introducing our revolutionary cleaning eraser, designed to tackle tough messes with just water. No harsh chemicals needed, just simple, effective cleaning. Forget abrasive cleaners. Simply wet the sponge, squeeze, and wipe away dirt and grime. It's incredibly easy to use and safe for most surfaces. After use, just rinse the sponge. The dirt releases easily, allowing you to reuse it again and again. It's a sustainable and efficient cleaning solution. Need a specific shape? You can easily cut this versatile sponge to fit any cleaning task. Let your imagination guide you to a cleaner space. From kitchen appliances and bathroom surfaces to walls and floors, this cleaner handles it all. It's perfect for a variety of household needs. Remember not to scrub too hard or use it on delicate surfaces like car paint or screens. This ensures optimal performance and prevents damage. What we like? If you prefer a chemical-free cleaning experience, this is the sponge for you. It cleans effectively with just water, is easy to reuse, and can be cut to any size, making it a versatile and eco-friendly choice for kitchens, bathrooms, and furniture. What people say. The sponges are effective at cleaning various surfaces. They work well on scuffs and marks without harsh chemicals. The sponges are durable and hold up to scrubbing. Number 1. Magic Sponge Eraser 10-pack. Tired of cleaning sponges that wear out quickly? Ours are 3x thicker and designed for long-lasting cleaning power. Made with premium melamine foam, they easily lift away scuffs and grime. Ditch the harsh chemicals and bleach. Our gentle and effective alternative is all you need. Simply wet, squeeze, and wipe to make surfaces look like new. Need a specific size? These can be cut to any shape, saving you money and ensuring a perfect fit for any cleaning job. Join professional cleaners who rely on our bulk packs for incredible value. Stock up and save, so you're always ready for any mess. Effortlessly tackle grease, soap scum, and stubborn marks. Use them in your kitchen, bathroom, on walls, floors, and even in your car. We stand behind our product quality with 24/7 customer service. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return them for a no-questions-asked refund. What we like? For long-lasting cleaning power without harsh chemicals, this extra-thick sponge is a fantastic value. It's gentle yet effective on multiple surfaces, and the bulk pack ensures you're always prepared for any cleaning task, from bathtubs to floors. What people say. Works great on scuff marks and crayon marks. These sponges are very effective at cleaning tough stains. The sponges are easy to use and require no harsh chemicals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.